Our Plexosoft solutions integrate OpenAI and Together AI models for their AI oracles. This means your users will be able to interact with an extension of your own mind directly on your website, something unimaginable just 3 years ago. To have your own ChatGPT, so to speak, running on your site for both you and your users, we need to create an account on the platform that provides the AI capabilities. In this case, we're doing it with OpenAI. This is not the same account you create when using their ChatGPT product. Instead, this is an account within their infrastructure, which gives you access to their API so you can run, fine-tune, or train your own AI models inside their ecosystem. This setup is designed for individuals and companies who want to integrate these technologies as their own while paying for usage. In other videos, we'll show you exactly how to use their platform, how to train your own AI model, and how to deploy it on your Atrium Cloud or Atrium Health website. Let's click on any sign-up button. As we've done before, we continue logging in with our email address and avoid all quick sign-up options such as Google. We use the same strong temporary password. Now it's time to verify the account. Simply copy and paste the code you receive in your email. We complete the sign-up form, and we're almost there. Next, we give our organization a name. Just like on other platforms, this can be the name of your project or business. You can invite additional members if needed. OpenAI now asks us to set up the API. This API key is a secret string of characters that we will copy and paste into your Heroku account to connect your website with OpenAI. This is what appears each time an API key is created. We simply copy it and store it somewhere safe so our support team can help you connect your site to OpenAI. And don't worry, by the time you're watching this video, the key shown here is no longer valid. Now, OpenAI requires credit to operate because it's a paid service. Fortunately, it is very affordable. Adding $5 or $10 in credit is often enough to last for a while. We recommend adding credit the first time they ask, because doing so unlocks all features and is required in order to actually use the API key. Congratulations on creating an account on a state-of-the-art AI platform. By doing this, you're already far beyond the average user. If we head to the dashboard, you'll quickly notice several tools. You can manage usage, handle API keys, and access the fine-tuning tool. You'll also find various AI assistants available in case you need help solving problems or exploring ideas. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.